Let's talk about something that Uber is actually taking a page from Lyft, apparently, and that
Okay.
is the fact of female able to request female drivers. So pretty interesting there, Serge.
Yeah, I got this from a driver in Orange County, California. Actually, I did a behind the wheel with her, very popular one. I'm not going to give her a name, but she says, "Do you know anything about this?" I'm like, "No, but now I do." um, so, as we all know, a few weeks ago, not a few weeks, maybe a month and a half ago now, Lyft started offering trips to female passengers with female drivers. Obviously, the density is not going to work in that, but then I was liked by a lot of female passengers and drivers. I mean, if I'm a little intoxicated leaving a bar at 3 in the morning, and if I can get a female driver and I'm female, then great. I mean, I think it's a pretty cool idea. Now, a lot of people did not like this, Chris, because they go, "Nah, this is discrimination against men." I'm like, okay, whatever.
Mhm.
We're in such a state in this country that like everything is bad. I'm like, no, I thought that was a good idea by Lyft, right? And now Uber is trying it, and I'm shocked that Uber didn't even lead in this department, but they probably are
Yeah.
looking into the legalities of it, all kinds of things, because Uber thinks a lot about these things. There you go. Ricky Life says my passengers love it. Yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with this, and so Uber is testing it. If you guys have seen this in your apps as a driver, as a female driver, I'm sure they're not going to send it to me, but
Yeah, same.
as a female driver, if you see this, please send it to me, Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. I think this is very interesting, and I think we may have caught Uber with their pants down big on this one, and not in a bad way, because usually it's in a bad way, not this one. I think this is a good idea, and because now Uber is completing that circle, Chris. They have Uber Teen, right?
Yep.
So you can get teenagers. They have Uber Pet, and now you have female to female matching, or gender to gender, I guess. Let's be PC on that one. But I think it's a great idea, and at their scale, I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't see anything wrong with this picture, but I'm sure some people will disagree with me.
Well,
But I think it's a
I
good
think
idea.
I think the only time it would be bad is if you ordered a ride and your driver's name is Cheryl, but Bob comes.
Yep.
And Bob is, somebody who's not of, the proper person who should be doing it because they have a fake account. So those types of things, it would be the issue where it would be like, again, a security issue, what we talked about earlier.
Well, now Rolando, stick around to the end, and the funnies will have that answer. Actually, what's coming? So long story short, I like this idea. If Uber's testing it, great. I mean, look, the numbers don't support this, because 52% of Lyft's passengers are female. Okay. And only 26 or 27% of all drivers on the platform are female. And I'm assuming that during bar hours, late night hours, that number collapses, or that number probably goes down to less than 10, 12%, probably, right? And so the matching part is going to be a little difficult. But if I'm female and leaving a bar and I'm a little, inebriated, I don't mind waiting an extra 10, 15 minutes for a female driver to pick me up if I'm feeling unsafe, obviously. So I think this is a good idea. I think Uber is going to definitely follow Lyft on this, which is shocking because usually it's the other way around, but I think it's a good idea.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.